mas maintindihan mo yung PEMDAS dito. Tara dali! So, para mas maintindihan pa natin yung una nating video, ito pa ang isang problem about sa PEMDAS. So, again, ayon sa PEMDAS, una muna daw ang parenthesis, exponents ang sunod, next is multiplication, sunod ay division, next is addition, and lastly, the subtraction. So, as you can see, meron ditong parenthesis. So, unahin muna natin ang parenthesis. 2 plus 3 is 5 squared. Tapos, baba muna natin lahat para mas malinaw. Next is exponents. So, 5 times 5 or 5 squared is 25. Baba muna natin ulit lahat. So, after nung parenthesis and exponent, next naman daw ayon sa PEMDAS is yung multiplication and division. So again, yung rule dito is kung ano yung mas nauna sa left, yun yung unahin natin. So in this case, multiplication yung nauna bago yung division, so multiplication muna. So 25 times 4 is 100. Baba muna lahat. So next is the division. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Bring down the 100. And 100 minus 4 is 96. And that's the answer.